Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I am bringing you a Sephora and Ulta haul. I've placed a few orders throughout like the last few weeks and I just wanted to gather everything and show you guys what I got. And of course, really quickly, let's address the elephant in the room. I cut my hair. So if you guys have been watching me for the past like even weeks, I have been talking about cutting my hair and it was already pretty long. It was like down to my boobs and I really wanted a haircut. I didn't anticipate to go this short. I originally wanted to keep it like right here, but the girl went a little bit shorter and I'm glad she did though, because I really like this like cut on me. I didn't think I could pull this off because I have more of a round face, but I'm kind of feeling myself. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You already know, grab your cafecito or grab a glass of wine. I wish I could have a glass of wine with you guys, but we're about to head out to lunch, my husband and I, so I can't do that. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump with today's haul. Okay, so I put everything in one box and then I will tell you what I got from where. So really quickly, the first thing that's just kind of I can see is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toner. So I actually have the Mario Badescu Glycolic Acid Toner, but I am running out and I wanted to get something different this time, and I really trust The Ordinary with like anything that's like skincare products, because I've used tons of their stuff and they have yet to disappoint me. This one was maybe about 14 or 10, and I mainly got this for my underarms. If you guys watch me, you know how much I have suffered from like sweaty armpits, and not only like the sweat, but the odor, which is so embarrassing, so disgusting, but I'm human and it happens, and I know I'm not the only one. I've tried a few different deodorants and they work for a while, but then it's like I just can't get my underarms to not smell. So I've been using glycolic acid underneath my arms to help with the excess sweat and with the smell, and it's been helping so much. So I wanted to get a backup so I can just keep up with the treatments. It also really helps if you suffer from dark underarms. I don't have like dark underarms per se. Not the deodorant under my arms, but I do have like a little shadow from just like natural shaving. Next up is the Too Faced Fluff and Hold Laminating Brow Wax. So I saw this on Trendmood, and I know that they're like super late to the whole lamination trend, but I still like my brows to be a little bit on the like laminated side. And so when I saw that they were coming out with one, I really wanted to jump to it because I just like trying these types of things. Like this is my I don't know, like these are just products that I genuinely like to try. So I actually have been trying this for the past few days and I really do like it. It still does flake. I have yet to find a product that doesn't leave that like white flaky residue. I've tried a lot, you guys, and they all have done it. Mind you, it's not the most affordable, but it works. Everything that I have mentioned so far has been from Ulta. So moving on from Ulta, I also ordered a new lash from the Kiss Lash Couture collection. I love these. I actually have these on not these, but I have the Hot Couture on my eyes right now, and this is my absolute favorite pair. They're so soft, they're so wispy, they have a really pretty like finish to them, and the band is super comfortable. These are called Cruise, so these are a little more out there, but I love crazy lashes like this, like very fluffy, very bold. So I am excited to try these because this whole Lash Couture collection has to be my favorite from Kiss. Up next are some brushes. I actually have had these in my collection for a few weeks now, but I figured I would add them into this haul because I haven't showed you guys. So Morphe came out with a whole like bronzy collection, and I have the bronzing brush and then I have the highlighting brush. I have been using both of these and I will say that I do like this one, it's all right, but I still use it. And then as well, I ordered one of the shades. This is the Bronze Show Velvet Matte Pressed Powder, which is this one right here. I don't want to go into too much detail because I do want to do a sit down and like just show you guys how these products work, but I do have some thoughts on this bronzing powder. And then I also picked up the Glow Show Radiant Pressed Highlighter in the shade Gilded Glow. This one as well has a very interesting formula. It's very similar to the bronzer. The formula is exactly the same. And yeah, I'll just leave it at that. So this item was kind of like an impulse buy, and I think I'm going to return it because I use the LA Girl Peach corrector and I live and die for that. It's one of the best correctors I have ever tried, and it's like $5 or something. So this is the Exa High Fidelity Color Corrector in the shade Peach. This was pretty pricey. It was around maybe $25, and I just, once I got it, like, I think I fell for the packaging. The packaging is super cute, and it has a really nice doe foot applicator, just like a typical concealer. But I was like, why did I buy this? I know that the LA Colors works for me. The formula is great, the coverage is great, and this was almost $30. So I'm not going to swatch this one because I do want to return it and just get me something way cheaper. Again, it was an impulse buy. Does that ever happen to you? Because same. A product that I was really, really hyped for, and I'm still hyped for it, I haven't tried it, is the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. I think I saw this either on TikTok or Instagram, I don't remember, but Essence is super affordable. I think this was maybe $2, and I really like pressed powders, especially for underneath the eyes, because they do a great job at really smoothing out any wrinkles. And this one claims to be super amazing, super smoothing. It gives your eyes that nice brightening effect. So I'm really looking forward to testing this out because I have some holy grails for underneath the eyes, but if I can get a $2 powder to work for me, I'm here for it. Oh my gosh. Why would you scare me like that? You're a jerk. I caught that on camera. Another bronzer that I got is the new one from L'Oreal, the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Bronzer. This is in the shade Medium. They have a few shades, and this one is the one that caught my eye. It's supposed to be similar to their Infallible Pressed Powder Foundation, which went viral like last year or something like that. I never really got my hands on it, and when I did, I got the wrong shade. Of course, typical Karina behavior. But this powder is supposed to be matte and velvety, so we're going to see about that because you guys know how I feel about drugstore bronzers. I don't feel like there's very many good drugstore bronzers. I feel like that's when high-end makeup kicks in and really has the bomb bronzers. So I'm excited to try this with you guys. We're gonna see how that one works. I also bought 2 palettes. I have the other one here. I bought the new Tres Luce La Flor de Mexico palettes from Becky G. I have her original palette, and although I haven't played with it much, I really did like the formula, and I know you guys really like Tres Luce in general. So this is what the palette looks like. I did already film a video for it. I don't know if I'm gonna post that because the quality went crazy. I had to fix a few things, so if I do post it, you will see it for a Makeup Monday. But as you can see, this one has a little bit more color to it. This one as well has a little bit of colors, just like her original one. This one has beautiful greens, but it's definitely a little bit more earth tone, which I am here for. Birds of Paraíso is such a pretty duochrome shade, and then the matte ones are just as silky and velvety as her original palette. So loved it. One that I bought as well, but I haven't tried, is the Kylie Cosmetics palette. I've tried her palettes or her eyeshadows years ago, and I never really like cared for it. I think her brand in general is a brand that I just kind of overlook. I don't know. There's never really anything that I'm like, wow, I really want to buy it. But this palette really spoke to me. I know for a fact I have other palettes with the exact same shades, but I'm curious to see how the quality is going to be. I haven't ordered anything since she like reformulated her brand, so we'll see. I will try it out or we'll try it out together and we'll see what we think. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lipstick and this is the shade Kitten Heels. I really have been wanting a true red orange lipstick, especially now that the summer is like right around the corner. I want to add pops of colors into my tutorials as well as in like my regular makeup routine. And this one by NYX had really amazing reviews, and I actually own 1 or 2 lipsticks from this like suede collection, and they are so nice, velvety, creamy, rich, and pigmented. So this one right here, I am excited for. And then from NYX, I also got their new Butter Gloss. It's clear. I really like these because you can wear them with any lip color. I can pop it on right now with what I have and it doesn't change the color of your lipstick. It just gives you that beautiful high shine gloss, which is why I really like just the clear glosses. This one's called Sugar Glass. And then the last lipstick that I got is from Juvia's Place. They just released a new collection. I will try to get my hands on it if I can, but this is part of their collection. It is the Nubian Sand Matte Lipstick. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is so beautiful, and Juvia's makes some amazing lipsticks. Their formula is crazy, pigmented, velvety, and gorgeous. That's the shade right there. It's really, really light, but I wanted it to add it to like the center of my lips. Let's try it a little bit here. Oh yeah. Oh, that's pigmented. And it smells so good. That is so pretty. That is right up my alley. So that is everything that I got from Ulta. Now from Sephora, I ordered only a few things, mainly things that I had either been eyeing that were in my cart or new items. So I bought the new Bare Minerals Blonzer, which is a blush and a bronzer in the shade Kiss of Copper. I don't know how I feel about this one. I have already tried it once, and it's maybe because I'm like, in my heart, I am just an all matte blush girl. So I have a hard time wearing blushes that are not matte. And this is supposed to give you that blush effect to the skin, but also as a bronzer, which I get the concept, but I just don't know that it's for me. So I will still try this out on camera for you guys so you can see it personally and make your decision based on how it looks on me, but más o menos. I also picked up the new Pore Eclipse Mattifying Primer from Milk. You guys know I am super oily, and with this heat, y'all, I have to keep my skin as mattified as possible. So I wanted to really try this out. Milk makes the best gripping primer, which is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And so I think in a combination with this one, it's really going to lock in the makeup for us for summer. Hopefully, we're going to try that combo soon and let you guys know how that works. I finally got my hands on the One Size Beauty bronzer from Patrick Starr. I really like this brand, you guys. Like, I feel like at this point it's like up there in my like go-to list. This is the palette. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought. I thought it was going to be like smaller, like the pan sizes, pero está grande, like it's pretty big. So it comes with, I think this is for bronzer, sculpting, and then what is it? I don't remember, but this one's called Legacy Honey Masterpiece and Don't Try It. Made for Shade Bronze and Sculpt Trio. So I think these two are for sculpting, this is for bronzing, something like that. But I have been trying this one as well, and I love it. I love his formula. It's so bomb. And then the last two products that I got from Sephora for lipsticks, I got this one that I had been eyeing for a while from Artist Couture. It's called Angel Baby. I really love the shade of this. And now that I see it next to the Juvia's Place, it's very similar, but this one has a little bit more of a pink undertone. I've just been really into like the super light 90s vibe lipstick with like the brown lip liner. I think it looks really pretty. And then Tarte just released their Lip Plump Maracuja Juicy Lip Oils, lipsticks, and oh my goodness, these are so beautiful. If you love a mix of a lipstick, like a hybrid of a gloss with like a little bit of a lip color, this is for you. I have the shade Peachy Beige. I wanted the shade White Peach, but it was sold out. I think Meredith on TikTok probably sold out that shade because she was talking about it. So that is it right here. The one here, if you guys can see that. Yeah, that one right there. So that is everything, you guys. Oh, I have to go to the bathroom so bad. I've been holding my pee. That is everything that I wanted to share with you guys. Definitely keep an eye out because I will be doing a haul, not a haul. I will be doing a try on with all the products. Let me know in the comment section down below what palette you guys want to see me use. Do you want to see the Kylie Cosmetics or the Tres Luce? Let me know and I will pick based on what you guys vote. Also, if you guys are interested in this eye tutorial, I will have it up very soon. I tried out the new She Glam Picnic collection, which is this one right here. So that should be posted after this, hopefully. Anyways, you guys, I gotta go. I'm hungry. So I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.